Good morning students. I hope you are all fine at home. In previous class we revised our monthly test portion. Today we are going to see about exercise 4.4 in 4th chapter. Okay. In this exercise we have to see about the linear differential equations. Okay. So in linear differential equations we see about only first order degree. For the equation dy by dx plus px equal to q, where p and q are functions of x alone means then the solution set is become x e power p dx equal to q into integration of q e power integration of p dx dy plus c. So applying this formula we solve the problem relating to this exercise 4.4.
Exercise 4.4 question number 1 dy by dx minus y by x equal to x. Okay, listen, first find out whether the given equation is in the form of convert into in the form of dy by dx plus p of y equal to q. So the given equation can be written as dy by dx minus 1 by x of y, because here p equal to 1 by x and q equal to x, because p and q are in the term of x. Okay, then it is in the form of dy by dx plus pi equal to q. Here p equal to minus 1 by x and q equal to x. So let first we have to find out the integration of p dx. Okay, according to the formula, first step is to find out integration of p dx. Before finding the integration of p dx, we change this into the form of dy by dx plus p of y equal to q. Okay, now the value of p equal to 1 by x, that is minus 1 by x. Therefore p dx equal to integration of minus 1 by x dx equal to, so if you integrate 1 by x, you are getting log x, that is minus log x equal to, if it is the form of minus means we write log 1 by x. Okay, so we find integration of p dx equal to log 1 by x. Next step is to find the if factor. If factor is nothing but, integrating factor is nothing but e power p dx. Already we find the p dx, so we write the integration of p dx in the power of e, so e power log 1 by x. If e power log 1 by x means log and e always cancelled, already you know about this concept, so we cancel the log and e, we are getting 1 by x. Okay, so the required solution is y equal to if equal to integration of q if dx plus c. Here the value of q equal to x, therefore integration of q if dx plus c equal to y, the value of y equal to y by x equal to q is x into if equal to 1 by x into dx. X cancelled, so we are getting dx, integration of dx equal to x plus c, so y by x equal to x plus c. That is the answer for this first question. Okay, listen, first you have change the question in the form of dy by dx plus p of y equal to q. Next to find the p dx, that is integration of p dx, then apply if factor equal to e power p dx, integration of p dx, then the solution y equal to integration of q into dx plus c, q into if into dx plus c. The next question, dy by dx plus y cos x equal to sin x cos x. Here the solution is, the given equation can be written as dy by dx cos x into y, because the value of p equal to cos x into y equal to sin x cos x. It is the form of dy by dx plus py equal to q into dx. Here the value of p equal to cos x, and because the except the y term, remaining things are as considered as p, here p equal to cos x and q equal to, that is right hand side we are having sin x as well as cos x. So integration of p dx equal to, if you integrate cos x you are getting sin x. So then next to find if equal to e power integration of p dx. So e power p dx is, integration of p dx is sin x, e power sin x. Then next one we have to find out the required solution if equal to integration of u into if dx plus c. Here y into e power sin, that is yx, y into if means y into if factor is e power sin x, therefore y into e power sin x equal to q into q is sin x cos x, then if is e power sin x dx plus c. Here we are getting the value like this because sin x equal to t, put sin x equal to t means we are getting integration of cos x e power t. Okay, so dx plus c. Then if you integrate you differentiate the sin x, we are getting cos x dx plus equal to dt. Therefore instead of cos x dx we have to write dt, and the value of e power sin x become e power t, sin x become t. Therefore y e power sin x equal to integration of t into e power t dt plus c. So here you have to apply the integration rule using the integration by parts. E power t into e power 3 minus e power 3 plus c. So y e power sin x equal to sin x e power sin x, that is the value of t equal to e power sin x minus e power sin x plus c. So after substituting the value of t, we are getting the answer like this. Then third one, x dy by dx plus 2y equal to x power 4. Here the general form is dy by dx. Here it is multiplied by x, so divided by x. Okay, so it is in the form, if we divide it by x, we are getting dy by dx plus 2 by x into y equal to x cube. Here the value of b equal to 2 by x, that is the term which is the coefficient of y. Okay, here the coefficient of y is 2 by x, that is the b, and q value equal to x cube, that is the terms which are in right hand side. Here first step we have to find integration of p dx. The value of p equal to 2 by x dx equal to, so 2 by x means 1 by x, 1 by x is log x, therefore 2 into log x. So if the 2 come to the power of the x, we are getting log x square. Okay, then if equal to e power p dx, e power, the p value of integration p dx is log x square, log and e is cancelled, we are getting x square. Then the required solution is y equal to if equal to integration of q into if dx plus c. So y the value of if equal to x square, therefore y x square equal to integration of q equal to x cube and if equal to x square dx plus c. X square plus x square y equal to, the power of x is become 5 because x cube and x square, we are getting x power 5 dx plus c. So if you integrate x power 5, we are getting x power 6 by 6 plus c. Therefore the answer becomes x square y equal to x power 6 by 6 plus c is the solution. Fourth question, dy by dx plus 3x square by 1 plus x square x cube into y equal to 1 by x square, 1 plus x square divided by 1 plus x cube. So the given equation is of the form of dy by dx plus p of y equal to q. Here the value of p equal to 3x square by 1 plus x cube and q equal to 1 plus x square by 1 plus x cube. First find the integration of p dx by applying the rules. The value of p equal to 3x square by 1 plus x cube into dx. So it is in the form of log, the formula is if you differentiate 1 plus x cube, we are getting 3x square. So therefore it is in the form of 3x square, that is f dash by f, therefore it becomes log f. Okay, log f is here 1 plus x cube. So if factor equal to e power integration p dx equal to e power log 1 plus x cube. If log and e are cancelled, we are getting 1 plus x cube as if factor. Then the required solution is y into if equal to q into if dx plus c. Here the value of y equal to 1 plus x cube and if equal to, value of if equal to 1 plus x cube into y equal to q equal to 1 plus x square by 1 plus x cube. Then if equal to 1 plus x cube into dx plus c. Here 1 plus x cube and 1 plus x cube is cancelled. Listen, here c plus c is given before integration itself. Don't write plus c here. Okay, after integration only we add plus c. So therefore it becomes 1 plus x cube and 1 plus x cube cancel. We are getting integration of 1 plus x square dx. If you integrate this, we are getting 1 is integrated, we are getting 1, that is 1 into dx, ds is integrated, we are getting x, and x square dx become x cube by 3 plus c is the solution. Therefore the solution becomes y equal to y into 1 plus x cube equal to x in plus x cube by 3 plus c is the solution. Question number 5. dy by dx plus y by x equal to x e power x. The given solution is of the form of dy by dx plus py equal to q. Here the value of p equal to x, the coefficient of y, that is in second term, coefficient of y is 1 by x, and q equal to x into e power x. So find the integration of p dx. So p dx become integration of 1 by x dx. So if you integrate 1 by x, we are getting log x. Then if equal to e power integration of pdx. So e power log x, e and log is cancelled, we are getting x. X is the if. Therefore the solution become y into if equal to q into if dx plus c. Here y if equal to x, therefore xy equal to the value of q equal to x square e power x, and if equal to x. Therefore x into x square e power x dx plus c. After integration we are getting, here we apply using integration by parts. Okay, we are getting the answer xy equal to e power x into x square minus 2x plus 2 plus c. Okay. Question number 6. dy by dx plus y tan x equal to cos cube. Okay. Listen here. Here the coefficient of in the second term, the coefficient of y equal to tan x, and the value of q in the right hand side is cos cube x. Therefore p equal to tan x and q equal to cos cube x. This is this equation is in the form of dy by dx plus p of y into equal to q. Now find the value of integration of p dx. Value of p equal to tan x dx equal to tan x become integration of tan x is log secant x. If become e power p dx, that is e power log secant x. Here log and e is cancelled, we are getting secant x. Then y into if equal to q, integration of q into if dx plus c. The if value is secant x and the q equal to cos cube x. So we are getting y secant x equal to integration of cos cube x secant x dx plus c. Okay, cos cube x secant x become 1 by x cos x. So cos is cancelled, we are getting cos square x plus c. So integration of cos square x, the formula for cos square x is 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2 dx plus c. Therefore y secant x equal to 1 by 2, that is after integration we are getting 1 by 2 into x into sin 2x by 2 plus c. Question number 7. dy by dx plus 2y tan x equal to sin x, and if y equal to 0, then x equal to pi by 3. Express y in terms of x. Here the solution becomes is in the form of that is the question is in the form of dy by dx plus py equal to q. Here the value of p equal to 2 tan x and q equal to sin x. So after that we have to find integration of p dx. So integration of p equal to 2 tan x, we are getting 2 log secant x. Okay, equal to log secant square x after converting it into a power of secant. Okay, then we find the value of if. So in e power integration p dx equal to e power log secant square x. We are getting log is cancelled, we are getting secant square x as if. Then the next step is the solution is y into if equal to integration of q into if dx plus c. So therefore if equal to secant square x. So if we substitute the value of if as secant square x and q equal to sin x, we are getting y secant square x equal to integration of secant square x sin x dx plus c. The value of secant x equal to sin x by cos x. Therefore it becomes tan x, that is sin by cos become tan x into secant x dx plus c. That is the value of secant is 1 by cos x. So 1 by cos x into sin x becomes sin x by cos x. So it is tan x. Tan x secant x equal to secant x plus c. Then it is given in the question, it is that y equal to 0 and x equal to pi by 3. So apply this value, substitute this value in the left hand side and right hand side. We are getting 0 equal to secant pi by 3 plus c. Therefore c equal to minus secant pi by 3. The pi by 3 is nothing but 180 by 3, that is 60 degree. Secant 60 degree equal to 2. Therefore c equal to minus 2. The solution is y secant square x equal to secant x. The value of c equal to minus 2. The next question is 8th question. Dy by dx plus y by x equal to x e power x. So here dy by dx y by x e power x means here the p equal to 1 by x and q equal to x e power x. So integration of p dx equal to integration of 1 by x dx, that is 1 by x is integrated, we are getting log x. The next step is e power integration of pdf, that is if. So if equal to e power integration of pdx, we are getting e power log x. E and log is cancelled, we are getting x. Therefore the solution is y into if. If is x, therefore xy equal to q into the value of q equal to x e power x into x. It becomes x square ex dx plus c. So take the e power x as common, we are getting x square minus 2x plus 2 plus c. After integration, that is integration by parts, we are getting e power x square minus 2x plus 2 plus c. This is the value of the, that is the solution. The solution is xy equal to e power x into x square minus 2x plus 2 plus c. The next 9th sum is in the form of word problem. Okay, a bank pays interest by continuous compounding, that is by treating the interest rate as the instantaneous rate change of principal. A man invests 1 lakh in the bank deposit which accrues interest and 8% per year compounded continuously. How much will be get after 10 years? Here let the P be the principal at a time t. Okay, so according to the given condition, dp by dt equal to, that is it is given that 8% per year compound interest, that is 8 by 100 into principal equal to 0.08 into p. Here dp, integration of dp by p equal to integration of 0.08 dt plus c. So log b equal to, that is 1 by p becomes log p equal to 0.08 t plus c. Okay, so p equal to e power 0.08 t. The value of t becomes e power t equal to c1 into 0.08 t. So p equal to 1 lakh and when t equal to 0, c1 equal to 1 lakh. So we find the value of c1 equal to 1 lakh. So p equal to 1 lakh into e power 0.08 t. Okay, then find the value of p when t equal to 10. So the first one is t equal to 0. Here we apply t equal to 10 means it becomes 1 lakh into e power 0.8. It is given, is e power 0.8 is given already 2.2 per 225. So we are getting p equal to 2,22,550. So this is the value of this question after 10 years. Okay, so in this exercise we see nearly 9 sums. the first step is find out, change the question is in the form of dy by dx plus p of y equal to q. Okay, so dy by dx plus p of y equal to q. After that, find the value of p dx. Okay, so if it is in the form of dy by dx plus py equal to q means we find the value of p and q, then find the value of integration of p dx, then after that apply if equal to e power p dx, integration of p dx, then the required solution is becomes y into if equal to integration of q into if dx plus c. After multiplying the if into q, we have to integrate the values and we have find the value of this solution. Okay, after finding the after watching these videos, you have to write all the questions, that is which is given as a PDF form as assignment. Okay, so you have to write all the questions as well as the answer in your school note, then only you score full mark for your assignment. So do it properly and submit it in correct time. Thank you, students.